Good morning, respected principal, sir, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Saibrat Puri Goswami. I study in class 3rd from Muna Modern English Medium School, Sarangad. Today, I am here present a speech on Swami Vivekanand. Let's start. Swami Vivekanand was born on 12 January 1863 at Calcutta, Bengal, presently British India. His childhood name was Narendranath Datta. He was a chief disciple of 19th century Indian mystic Ramakrishna Paramhans. He was a key figure in the introduction of the Indian philosophies of Vedanta and Yoga to the Western world. He was a major face in the revival of Hinduism in India and contributed to the concept of Indian nationalism as a tool to fight against the British Empire. He founded the Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission. He is perhaps best known for his speech which began with the words "Sister and Brothers of America," in which he introduced Hinduism at the global level. Quotation given by him: "Arise, awake, and stop not till. Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. The goal is reached." Vivekanand in Chicago, September 1893, said that one infinite, pure and holy beyond qualities I bow down to them. In India, Vivekanand is regarded as a patriotic saint and his birthday celebrated as National Youth Day. Thank you to all of you to listen me and bye.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, my name is Dakshi Krishnavani. I read in class 3rd Lotus. Today I am here to present on speech on Swami Vivekanand. Swami Vivekanand was born in 12 January 1863 at Kolkata. His real name was Narendranath Datta. His birthday celebrated as National Youth Day. His father name was Vishwanath Datta. His mother name was Khanesari Devi. He studied in Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar Institute and later in Presidency College in Kolkata. He followed Guru Ramakrishna throughout his life. His speech Chicago made him globally famous. He served 31 diseases and he died in 4 July 1902 by heart attack. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal, sir, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Rupal Patel. I study in class 3rd. Today I am here to present a speech on Swami Vivekanand. Let's start. Swami Vivekanand was a great man. He was born on 12 January 1863 in Kolkata. National Youth Day is celebrated in India on their birth anniversary. His childhood name was Narendranath Dutt. Later he became famous as Swami Vivekanand. His mother's name was Bhuneshwari Devi and father's name was Vishwanath Dutt. His father was lawyer in the High Court of Kolkata. Swami Vivekanand was one of the smartest students 1902. Thank you.
Hello everyone, respected principal sir or teacher. My name is Devanshi K. Samani. I study in class 3. My school name is Mona Modern English Medium School Varanga. Today my topic is Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda, a great person of India. Swami Vivekananda was born 12 January 1863 on Kolkata. His birthday celebrate World Youth Day. His name was Narendra. His father name was Vishwanath. He gave his famous speech in America. His famous speech, my fellow sister and brother. He has written many books, Karma Yoga, Raja Yoga. He was very intelligent, was set up many school and hospital. He died at the early hour of 39 in the year 92. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principals, sir, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Shati Chauhan. I study in class 3rd. Today I am here to present a speech on Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was a great man. He born on 12 January 1863 in Kolkata. His mother's name was Guneshwari Devi and father's name was Vishwanath. His childhood name was Narendranath Dutt. National Youth Day is celebrated in India on their birth anniversary. Later he became famous as Swami Vivekananda. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected principals, sir, and teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Dakshata Yadav. I read in class 3rd. Today I am speech for Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was a great man. He was born on 12 January 1863 in Kolkata. National Youth Day celebrate in India on their birth anniversary. His childhood name was Narendranath Dutt. Later he became famous as Swami Vivekananda. His mother's name was Guneshwari Devi and father's name was Vishwanath. His father, lawyer in the High Court. He had lot of interest religion of Kolkata. Swami Vivekananda died on 4 July 1902. Thank you.
Good morning to all respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Samriddhi Kisharwani from Mona Modern English Medium School, Sarangar from class 3rd. Today's my topic is Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda's original name was Narendranath Datta. His father's name was Vishwanath Datta and his mother's name was Guneshwari Devi. He born on 12 January 1863. He was a Hindu monarch and a person of literature in India. He was a great Indian son and he was a figure with a high thinking and simple living. And he was a pious leader. His birthday celebrated as National Youth Day. He died on 4 October 1902. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principals, sir, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Srishti Agrawal. I study in class 3rd. Today I am here to present a speech on Swami Vivekananda. Vivekananda was born in 1863 in Calcutta. He was born as Narendra Ajatta. He was Hindu monk and chief disciple of Ramakrishna Paramhans. His birthday is celebrated as a World Youth Day. He attended the Parliament of World Religion in Chicago. He gave his famous speech in America in 1893 by addressing America by fellow sister and brother. He founded Ramakrishna Mission in 1897 in Calcutta. He was written many books. Karma Yoga, Raja Yoga is famous. Many important institutions are named after his to hang him. He died at an early age of 39 in the year 1902. Thank you.
Respected principal sir, teacher and my dear friends, I am Suranam from Muna Modern English Medium School, Sarangarh. I study in class 3rd. Today I am there present a speech to Swami Vivekananda ji. Swami Vivekananda was a Hindu philosopher and a religion leader. Swami Vivekananda's real name was Narendranath Dutt. He was born on 12 January 1863 in Kolkata. His birthday is celebrated as National Young Day. Swami Vivekananda's father, Vishwanath Dutt, was a lawyer at the Kolkata High Court. His mother, Bhuneswari Devi, was a religious person. Swami Vivekananda met Swami Ramakrishna Paramhans and accepted his as his guru. He included Hinduism to the world and gave the message to peace. He promoted meditation and yoga. On 4 July 1902, Swami Vivekananda attained Samadhi and left this world. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Kusagri Patel from class 3rd. The name of my school is Mona Modern English Medium School, Sarangarh. Today's my topic is about Swami Vivekananda. Let's start. Number 1. Swami Vivekananda was a great man. Number 2. He was born on 12 January 1863 in Kolkata. Number 3. His childhood name was Narendranath Dutt. Number 4. His father's name was Vishwanath Dutt. His mother's name was Bhuneswari Devi. Number 6. His father was a lawyer in High Court of Kolkata. Number 7. Swami Vivekananda was a Hindu philosopher and a religious leader. Number 8. He was died on 4 July 1902. Thank you.
Principal sir, teachers, and my dear all friends. My name is Abhinka Agrawal. I read in class 3rd. My school name is Mona Modern English Medium School, Sarangarh. Today I am here a speech on Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was born on 12 January
Vishwanath Datta, and mother name was Bhuvneshwari Devi. Swami Vivekanand was the founder of Ramakrishna Mission. Swami Vivekanand gives the philosophy of Vedanta and yoga to the whole world. Swami Ji gave the famous slogan of "Arise, awake, and not stop till goal in the reached." Swami Vivekanand birthday celebrated as the World Youth Day. Swami Vivekanand Ji famous speech in Chicago 1893 was "My dear brother and sister of America." Thank you to all of you.
Morning, respected principal sir, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Arun Thawai. I study in class 3rd Rose. Today I am here to present a speech on Swami Vivekanand. Swami Vivekanand was a great man. He was born on 12th January 1863 in Kolkata. National Youth Day is celebrated in India on their birth anniversary. His childhood name was Narendranath Dutt. Later he became famous as Swami Vivekanand. His mother's name was Bhuvneshwari Devi and father's name was Vishwanath Dutt. His father was a lawyer in High Court of Kolkata. Swami Vivekanand was one of the most smartest students in his school. Swami Vivekanand has lot of interest in spiritual thoughts and religion. Swami Vivekanand died on 4th July 1902. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Everyone, my name is Alisha Afrin. I read in class 2 S2. Today is my essay topic Swami Vivekanand. Let us start the topic. Swami Vivekanand among a great person of literature in India. He had born on Kolkata, Narendra Dutt during a British government on 12 January 1863. Such a great person of literature in India. He was extraordinary child. He met his spiritual guru Swami Ramakrishna 1881. He had attained and delivered a speech at the Institute of Chicago. Thank you. Bye.
Hello everyone, I am Rupesh Patel from class 3rd. The name of my school is Mona Madar English Medium School, Sarangarh. Today I am going to tell about Swami Vivekanand. Swami Vivekanand was a great man. He was born on 12 January 1863. His childhood name was Narendra Dutt. His mother name was Bhuvneshwari Devi. His father name was Vishwanath Dutt. His father was a lawyer in the High Court of Kolkata. His guru was Swami Ramakrishna. He has written many books like Karma Yoga, Raja Yoga. He was the smartest student in his school. Thank you.
Good morning. Principal Sir, teachers and my dear friend. I am Akshans Pandey. I study in class 3rd. Today I am going to present a speech on Vivekanand, Swami Vivekanand. Swami Vivekanand was a great Hindu philosopher. He was born on 12 January 1863 in Kolkata. His childhood name was Narendranath Datta. His mother name was Bhuvaneshwari Devi and father name was Vishwanath Datta. He died on 4 July 1902. He promoters of spirituality, universal brotherhood and peace. National Youth Day celebrated in India on their birth anniversary. Later, he became famous as Swami Vivekananda. He taught people to become fearless. People still recalls his famous quote, "Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached." Thank you.
Good morning, respected Principal Sir, teacher, and my dear friend. My name is Fakhruddin Hussain from class 3rd. I am here to speak on Swami Vivekanand. Swami Vivekanand was Hindu monk. He was born in Kolkata on 12th January 1863. His birthday is celebrated as World Youth Day. He has written many books. Karma Yoga, Raja Yoga is famous. Many important institutions named after him. He had lot of interest in religion and spiritual fields. He founded Ramakrishna Mission in 1897 in Kolkata. He died at an early age of 39 in the year 1902. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Rajyapal. I read in class 10. My topic is Swami Vivekanand. Swami Vivekanand, real name was Narendranath Datta. He was born on 12 January 1863 in Kolkata. His father's name was Vishwanath Datta. His mother's name was Bhuvaneshwari Devi. His guru name was Ram Krishna Paramhans. On 4 July 1902, Swami Vivekananda attained Mahasamadhi and left this world. His teaching